In this video, I cover how to make your voice sound better in Audacity. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch this video right until the end so you know how to make your mic sound professional regardless of the type. Let's go and get straight into this video. The first step is of course go and make sure Audacity is open. Then the next thing you want to do is go and record some audio. So let's go and do this. The first thing you want to do is during the audio, you need to leave around 5 seconds free of just the mic recording without you speaking. So I'll go and show you how to do that now. So I'm going to go and start recording just now. I just went and recorded some audio, and as you can see, I left around a 5-second gap. It's around 7, but it doesn't really matter. And then I want to go and play it now, so then we can go and listen at the end to hear what it sounds like. This is an example clip of audio just to go and edit and make it sound better. Now let's go and make this audio sound even better. So what you need to do is go and select around 5 seconds of this period of where you weren't speaking. So I'm going to go and select it just like so, as you can see. Then all you want to do is go and click on Effects, and you want to go and select Noise Reduction. So locate it here, as you can see, and then all you want to do is go and click Get Noise Profile, and it's going to go and create the profile. And then all you need to do is go and select all of it just like so, so double click, and then you want to go and press Effect, and you want to go and press on Noise Reduction again, and then you need to go and press OK. Then depending on the length of the audio, it may take a bit of time to process it, and that will also apply to the other effects as well. So then you can keep it all selected just like so, and you want to go and press on Effect, and then you want to go and click on Filter Curve. Filter Curve EQ is the one we want. So click here, and here we are. Then all you want to do is go and click on Manage just like so, and we go and get this drop down, come down to Factory Presets. Then all you want to do is go and locate Bass Boost. So go and click on Bass Boost just like so, and then go and press OK. Then it's going to take a moment to apply, and then it's going to go and apply it. Then once again, come back to Effect, and you want to come back to Filter Curve EQ, and then you want to go and locate Manage again, come down to Factory Presets, and then we want to go and click Treble Boost, just here. Then go and press OK. Then once again, it's going to add the effect again. Then what you want to do is once again, come back to there, so go and click Effect, come back to Filter Curve EQ, and then you'll go click Manage, Factory Presets, and you want to go and click off Low Roll Off for Speech. So click here, and then go and press OK once again. Then it's going to go and process it again. Then all you need to do is come back to Effect, and you want to go and locate Compressor. So Compressor is up here, so go and click on it, and then you want to go and press OK. Then it's going to go make that change, and then you want to come back up to Effect, and we want to go and locate the limiter. So go and click on limiter just like so down here. As you can see, there are two options. I'm just going to go and click on this top one. I don't think it matters too much. And then you want to go and select Type, and make sure Hard Limit is selected, and then go and press OK. And there we go. Now let's go and listen back and see how it sounds. This is an example clip of audio just to go and edit and make it sound better. This is an example clip of audio just to go and edit and make it sound better. And there we go. In my opinion, that sounds a lot nicer. And of course, you can go and try other effects as well, but I just really like the outcome of this. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.